This is a short focus on camel pose that will allow you to go into camel more completely and more deeply and certainly more comfortably. We want to begin to activate some areas that often get overlooked. So we'll start just by looking at the back. So Becca's going to turn around. And this area here is really what sometimes gets forgotten in camel pose. We lift, but we don't strengthen. And this is the area you want to strengthen right here. There's deep rhomboid muscles here. There's muscles along the spine here, and then there's more surface muscles, the trapezius, that go down, across, and up. So if you would bring your hands behind you and have the fingers point towards the buttocks and the thumbs away. And we begin to activate right here. You can see she's already activating here. The other thing that gets overlooked is the arms. A camel has 4 legs, and often when we do camel, the arms just get floppy and we fall into them. If you slide your hands back away, they're not really going to go anywhere, but you will activate here and here in the triceps, so that you don't collapse in your arms when you're doing camel. So you've got this activation, you've got this activation. Now, release, and go ahead and turn sideways so that they can see you from the side. The other place that often is a problem is your neck. So what we want to do is make sure there's no collapse in the neck. 2 things we have to do is lengthen the back as we strengthen it, and certainly strengthen the front of the throat area. So we'll start, just bring your hands behind your head, lift your head up as if you were lifting the skull away from the shoulders. So you get this nice length right through here. Then, with the fingers on the back of your head, press straight back, not lifting the chin, not bowing the chin, straight back. So you have a resistance stretch in the back of your neck, activating the muscles there. And then release. And now take one of your fists and place it on the middle of your forehead. Keep the neck long and press your head into the fist so that you can see these muscles right here now are activated right across the front. You can probably feel it too. And then release. Go back to the back of your head, lift up again. Do the resistance stretch. Press straight back into your fingers. Release. And use your other fist now in the front of your forehead, the front center of your forehead. Press. Watch these muscles, feel, experience these muscles engage and strengthen there. And then release. Take a moment. Now you've activated all of this area. That's really important for camel pose. Now come up onto your knees. And you can put something underneath your knees to make it a little bit kinder to your knees. Tuck the toes under. And then use your fingers to hook the heels. So if you take your arms over the head, you can do that. But you want your index finger and your middle finger to hook the heels and then slide them back, so that you're lengthening here, but the real thing you're doing is strengthening here, activating this, the muscles behind the heart, and then find the best place for your head without letting it collapse. So you want to take it up and up, just like you learned by strengthening around here. And see how beautiful that camel pose is. So triceps are activated, back of the heart's activated, the neck and the throat are active but not gripping. And then when you're ready, release. So practice this a few times and see if it doesn't help your camel out. Thank you.